What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a TLF apparel haul. I'm going to show you guys what I got. Alright, so the first set I'll show you guys, I got the Tempo 6-inch workout shorts in the colored Oxford. This is kind of like a navy blue. Super cute. This Tempo collection is super comfortable, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on for you and show you the matching bra that I got for it. Okay, so this is the Oxford color. This bra is the Tempo multi-strap sports bra, and I got size small in both. And again, this is the color Oxford, which is like a true navy basically. Back is super cute, and you can wear this multi-ways. I've also seen the straps like crossed in the front like this, so this is a cute versatile top. But I love this material though. Everything is like snatching in the right places. Love it. Perfect. And I love this color too. I don't have a lot of navy blues, so this is cute. All right, so this is Oxford blue. The next set that I got is the 6-inch Tempo shorts in the color black, small and everything. I got small tops too. This top is gonna be a little bit different than this one. I think they just came out with this one, but this one is the, where's the tag? Okay, so this one is more of a racerback. So this is the Tempo racerback sports bra. And it looks like this with the logo in the back. So I'm gonna put this on. Okay, this is the black. This top is so comfortable, like this racer back top. And it's black. Like, I've just really been loving wearing black lately. I don't know, I went through my color phase, and like lately, probably because I had been bulking, but I had been wearing black and like a lot of dark colors, and I really was digging it, and I really love this. Oh my gosh, this is so comfortable, you guys. This is the racerback Tempo top, wearing size small in both. Love these. Oh yeah, this is the back too. So gorgeous, so smooth, so minimal. I love it. So these are all Tempo pieces that I got. I just really needed to restock in Tempo. This is the color graphite. These are the same 6-inch shorts. I was gonna go with 4 inches, but I'm actually really glad that I went with 6 because they're not like too long where I have to like scrunch them up a ton, and then I have a ton of material here. I really just need to pull them up like a tiny bit, or you know, if I'm going to the grocery store or something after my workout, you know, I'm probably gonna want to pull them down. And like this is still like modest enough for me to feel comfortable to like go to the grocery store in. Yeah, no, this is perfect. I'm actually really glad I didn't get the 4 inches because I thought about that and I was like, I really want 4 inches because I really like my shorts to hit like about here, but you know, if you got like a little bit of booty, it's gonna scrunch them up a little bit and they're actually gonna ride up even higher. So I didn't want everything to be out, especially if I had to run errands after my workout, because I'm literally always running errands after my workout. So these are perfect. This is actually the last set that I got. I love gray. Like if everything in my life could be gray, I would be perfectly happy with that. Again, 6-inch Tempo shorts. I got them in the color graphite color, same Tempo multi-way bra, size small in both. I love, like this material is just so comfortable. Like I love, so very cute. I just wanted some basic colors, and this is really nice. They have a light green color too that I want to get. I actually have like the sports bra, this bra, and the leggings in it. It's kind of like a sage looking color. It's like a light green. It's really beautiful, but I'm definitely gonna get that one next. And they have that in the racer back is in that color green too, so I'm probably gonna grab that next. But this is super comfortable. Also, something that I noticed in the crotch area of the shorts, there's actually like a built-in like vent, not vent, but there are definitely like holes in the crotch area to make it more breathable, I guess. I really love that though. That's awesome. And these are camel proof, and these are camel toe proof, which is super important. Like no lines, super clean looking, super comfortable, super light material. So yay, I can't wait to work out in these. All right, so that is my TLF Apparel Tempo Collection haul that I wanted to share with you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you comment below, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see in upcoming videos. I know I took a little break there, but I'm back. And yeah, let me know if you like this video. Peace.